The LG air purifier was created to give you a quiet yet powerful way to remove air pollutants in your home. With its visual display and control panel, you can see the quality of your air and adjust settings based on your preferences. This tutorial will provide you the steps on how to use your control panel. To get started, turn on the power button. The sensor will take 30 seconds to stabilize and give you a reading of your air quality. After 30 seconds, the particle matter indicator will display and your air quality indicator light will change color. The air quality indicator light reveals your current air quality level by displaying a range of 4 colors: red, orange, yellow, and green. Red being the most polluted and green being the most clean. The particle matter indicator display tells you the density of dust for 3 different particle sizes. PM1 refers to a dust size of 1 micron, such as cigarette smoke and smog, while PM2.5 refers to a dust size of 2.5 microns, such as motor vehicle exhaust and wood-burning fires. And PM10 refers to a dust size of 10 microns, such as dust stirred up by vehicles. Repeatedly press the indicator button to toggle through your particle matter options. To understand specifically how dust density levels affect the status of your air quality, refer to the Indoor Air Quality Guide sticker located on your product or in your manual. Your air purifier will automatically set to auto mode once you turn it on, but you can also toggle through different speed settings. There's auto, which controls fan speed based on your air quality, low, medium, and high. If you want a quick and powerful way to clean your air, use the turbo function. Press the turbo button to let the air purifier operate at its highest setting for 30 minutes. The off timer function allows you to set your air purifier to sleep mode. You can set it to 2, 4, 8, or 12 hours. Once the off timer is set, all lights will turn off except for the off timer light, and the fan is maintained at a low speed for minimum noise. To disable the off timer function, press the off timer button repeatedly until 12 appears in the display. Press once more to disable the function and the display will return back to normal. Use the lock function to prevent children or others from adjusting your settings. Press and hold the indicator and off timer button at the same time for 3 seconds until a beep sounds. Now your settings are locked. Repeat to unlock. The filter life light tells you when to order and replace filters. The orange light turns on after 3,500 to 4,000 hours of operating time, which means it's time to order a replacement filter. The red light turns on after 4,000 hours, which means it's time to replace the filter. Once you cleaned and replaced your filters, press and hold the speed and turbo buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. This will reset your filter life back to 0 hours.